The market doesn't forgive hesitation. I'm the Fear. My Telegram community now has over 50,000 traders learning, trading, and growing together. Every day I share my signals, strategy, and tools completely free. Join us, link in the description. It's time to move.
Say that I'm on the road, maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking toll. Find me out here on my own.
EURCAD. The chart shows that the price has been moving within an upward channel for quite some time. But the last few candles reveal a slowdown in momentum. Bodies are getting stronger and upper wicks are getting longer. The alligator indicator lines are gradually converging, which often signals the start of a correction. The price is also testing a local resistance level that has already caused reactions in the past. I opened a PUT trade for $70 with a duration of 3 minutes, expecting a short-term pullback after a prolonged bullish run. Want to earn with trading but don't want to spend months studying charts and indicators? Here's a simple way to start right now. I created a VIP channel with a live session where I share my exact entry points in real time. Just copy the trades and profit with me. Message me on Telegram to join and get 240 signals per month. Link in the description. The market reacted exactly as expected. After a brief pause, a correction began, and candles closed confidently below the alligator's middle line. The trade closed in profit with a payout of $134 and a net profit $64. A great example of how you can successfully trade against the main trend when spotting signals of momentum exhaustion confirmed by the indicator. CHF GPY. The chart shows a strong downtrend, but the last few candles started to display signs of weakening. After a sequence of small red candles, a solid green one appeared, a signal of a potential short-term pullback. The alligator lines are still open, but the slope angle is flattering, suggesting a temporary pause in the trend. The price has reached a support area where previous rebounds have occurred. I opened a call trade for $134 with a duration of 3 minutes, expecting a short-term upward bounce from the lower boundary of the move. Want to trade smarter and stay in full control? Meet ZFX, the AI-driven trading robot that tracks every shift across real markets, crypto, OTC, and stocks, all in one place. It scans 15 top currency pair, 12 crypto coins, 15 OTC assets, and 15 major company stocks, giving you precise entries with 86% accuracy. No emotion, no guesswork, just data and execution 24/7. Type I want ZFX to see how it works or message me on Telegram. I'll help you set it up. Link in the description. Back to the trade. As anticipated, the price rebounded from the support level and showed a confident upward move over the next few candles. The alligator began to tighten, confirming a reversal impulse. The trade closed in profit, with a payout of $257 and a net profit of $123. A perfect entry on the local reversal. The point was chosen precisely according to market structure and indicator confirmation. EURCAD. After a short correction, the market resumed its upward momentum. Candles from a clear sequence of higher lows, and the indicator lines are spreading apart, signaling a strong bullish impulse. After testing the blue line, the shorter one, the price formed a reversal candle upward. That's my signal to enter a call trade for $257 with a duration of 3 minutes, aiming for continuation of the main uptrend. Want to trade stress-free without guessing? Private trading equals ready-made signals and personal support. Follow me, copy the trades, earn money. That simple. Message me on Telegram and I'll help you connect. Link in the description. The price followed the forecast precisely. The bullish impulse strengthened and the market updates its local high. All indicator lines continued moving upward, confirming trend development. The trade closed in profit with a payout of $493 and a net profit of $236. A perfect trend entry, confirmation from the indicator and a clean retracement of the middle line provided an ideal entry point. CHF JPY. The chart clearly shows a downtrend. Candles consistently form lower lows, and the alligator lines are diverging downward, confirming a stable bearish move. After a brief consolidation and a small pullback, the price returned to the resistance zone, which had previously rejected it several times. I opened a PT trade for $494 with a duration of 3 minutes, expecting a continuation of the downtrend. Want to earn passively? Connect to copy trading. Every time I trade, your account replicates. Same entry, same exit, same results. You don't need years of experience. Just connect your account and start profiting. Many already made between $500 and $1,000 in their first week. Not luck, but discipline and structure. If you want to follow a real trader with a clear values, message me on Telegram. Link in the description. The market confirmed the forecast. After a short pause, the downward impulse resumed. Candles kept closing lower one after another, while the alligator continued opening downward, showing strong bearish pressure. The trade closed in profit with a payout of $948 and a net profit of $454. A textbook example of trading with the trend. No need to chase reverse. Just wait for confirmation and enter in the direction of the main movement. Today's trading session was confident and consistent from start to finish. Every trade was opened by the system, no emotion, only clear technical signals and confirmation from the alligator indicator. The first trade on EUR/CAD bought $64 profit, a classic correction entry after a slowing impulse within an ascending channel. Then CHF JPY delivered a strong upward move from the support zone, adding $123 profit. The third trade, again on EUR/CAD, was a clean trend continuation, a perfect pullback to the alligator's middle line and a textbook ride that yielded $236 profit. And the final trade on CHF JPY closed the session with a powerful downward move along trend, $454 profit. Total profit for the session, $878. Every trade follows strict strategy rules, market structure analysis, alligator confirmation, and disciplined execution at every stage. That's it for today's session. If you want to see real trades in real time and learn directly from them, my Telegram channel is open. Over 50,000 traders already get my daily signals and financial updates there. Join them. Link in the description.